Hey guys, it's William here again, and I want to talk about Wusik SQ200, the hardware remote controller. So let's take a look. Okay, so here's the view of the PCB from the top. What I have done is I've created a double-sided board design, but at home to make the prototype I just printed the upper side and left the bottom side alone with. I just added wires for the bottom side. So at the bottom you are actually seeing the top side of the PCB that I made at home. I etched myself, and all these wires is just for misprinted connections and the vias and other things that I was missing, so you can have a look at the Arduino Pro Micro here. That's a Leonardo Micro. So it's just one small Arduino that powers everything, and the LEDs are multiplexed, so they don't need resistors. Some people quite fall on that, but that's not correct. I have done a lot of research on this topic, and this is done with a special timer on the Arduino and using a special way that doesn't require any resistors, and it's working pretty well. So now I'm going to put my just homemade face template so it looks a bit better and gets easier to use. So this is now the remote controller with a little bit of crappy skin to it, so at least I have an idea of what's going on. So I'm going to plug it on my computer, and it's detected right away as USB device, and it shows Wusik SQ200 waiting connection. So now I'm going on my computer. Camera, let's focus, and I'm going to start up the software, and right away it detects, I'm using the demo version here, detects and starts up the program right away. So you can see there's a LED underneath there that's lighting up. The camera doesn't show very well, but you can see the LED there. So I'm in track mode now. And it's a bit hard to show everything working, but just to give an idea. So I have the menu here. I'm going to open the menu for this track, and I'm going to hit OK for the new instrument. And I'm going to add the MIDI GX10. So I press OK again, and there it is. So if I play on my MIDI keyboard, so I can go back now with just pressing releasing shift, goes to the track mode again, and I'm going to hit record. And I'm going to press stop. So now I have a track. Let me rewind. So I'm going to press stop again, and there are my clips there. So I can edit now with shift 8, so I just press shift and 8 at the same time, and there's the first note, the timing. I'm going to exit now, and I'm going to quantize this. So I'm going to press menu again and go to process, select OK, quantize, OK again, and I'm going to quantize by 4 and also note length. Just press OK. Okay, it's quantized now. So let's play it back. So that's it, just some simple stuff. But we have the track option, the section, the master where I can add effects. So let's go to the master. So in the master area now, I also have several buzzes, so I have this 4 sends and 8 buzzes, I don't know what to say. And let me go back to the master. And I'm going to add an effect here where it says empty. I'm going to hit OK, and I'm going to add the immediate delay. So there is immediate delay with mixing of wet and dry at 50%. If I press Shift 4, I can go to the parameters of the plugin, or just press Shift again and I go back to track. Press stop to rewind and play. That's very simple stuff. You have the project, the settings for the plugin that's loaded or the selected track, the metrometer, mixer. I can edit the notes here, mute and solo the track, panic if something happens. I can check the CPU usage of the program. I can undo some changes to the track. I can save and load a project directly from here, or I just go to the project, it's Shift 5, and you can see there my unsaved project, the time, and I can say save, load, save as, and new, export. What else? So just giving just a quick look. So that's just the remote controller going from the USB, and as I showed before, that's an Arduino Pro Micro, so it's just very small. This is an ugly prototype, so I still have to make a case because the LEDs are going to be part of the LCD, sorry, are going to be part of the case. And well, I'm going to do another video soon showing more about the interface and how everything works, but you can check the other videos because the program and the remote are exactly the same. So it's just showing what the program on a computer shows on the screen. So it's the same thing, it's the exact same thing. It's just that on the computer you have a keyboard there. But the LCDs are the same. And soon I'm going to add to the remote options of showing if the computer is turning on and options to shut down the computer. So you can have like a small box. Let's say you have a small computer and a small box connected to this, and you power it up. It shows on the remote approximately how long it's going to take to boot. But if you make a computer just for this with an SSD hard drive, it's not hard drive, it's SSD drive, then in this case it's going to boot very fast. In some hardware situations you can use also the sleep and hibernate. On my computer I tested and my computer doesn't like to sleep, so every time it sleeps my sound card goes crazy and also the video card goes crazy. But that's my computer, it's a bit old now, but we have to test on other machines, and it works on Windows very well, and maybe I can start working on Linux too depending on the demand for the product, so we'll see. So that's it for this video. Hope you like this, and you can watch the other videos about the product, showing how to use, and it's very easy to use. So thanks for watching.